Hello everyone. We are going to see about display. The display property in CSS controls how an element is displayed in the document. It can change the behavior of element from block level to inline or vice versa, as well as alter their visibility and positioning. Let me show how to do that. For that, first I am going to give a div a class as box. Now I am going to use a span tag, which is an inline element. With box, I'm going to style it. Now I'm going to give this is how it will be. Now I'm going to style it using display property. Now I'm going to give a display and I'm going to give a inline block and I'm going to give a background color and I'm going to give a padding as 10 pixel. Now see how the code will be. See. Before we are not giving inline block so that it has taken the full width, but if now I am given inline block so that it has worked as both as inline and block, so it has taken the required width of the content. This is how it will work in inline block. The display property sets the display behavior of the text to inline block, allowing it to have block-like properties, example with height padding, while remaining in line with the surrounding content. Next, Next, we are going to see about float. The float property in CSS is used to specify whether an element should be floated to the left or right side of the container. It is commonly used for creating multi-column layouts and wrapping text around image. Let me show how to do. Now I am going to take a div, the class called container. And I am going to take another div with the class left and another div with the class right, and I'm going to give it a right container. Now I'm going to give a CSS for that. I'm going to give a width of 80% and I'm going to give a margin top bottom is 0 and left right to auto, and I'm going to give a overflow as auto. Next I'm going to give a class of text left. I'm going to give a float as left and a width of 50% and a background color of aquamarine and padding of 10 pixels. Let me show you how it will be. See, it has taken 50% of the container is of full of 80%. In that it has taken 40% of the width. Now I will show how it will be in right side, right container. I am going to give a CSS for that. I am going to give a float as right width as 50% and background color as aqua and padding as 10 pixel. If I save it, it also taken 50% of width. From the 80% it has taken a width of 50%. Next we are going to see about columns. The CSS columns allows you to create multiple column layout for text content. This provides a convenient way to divide content into columns, make it easier to read and navigate. Now I am going to show how to make columns in CSS. First we want to give a div. First we want to create a div with the class name container, and then I am going to create a para with the dummy text. Now it will be look like this in the browser. Now I am going to style it. I am going to give a width of 80% and a margin of 0 or 2. I am going to give a column count of 2. This will split the content into 2 columns, and I am going to give a column gap also. Column gap of 20 pixel. And then I am going to, and here I am going to give a margin of 0. It will remove a default margin. Now I will show how it will be in the browser. See, it has created into 2 columns. This is as 1 column, this as 1 column. Thank you.